The Harvest Academy is a one-of-a-kind combine education and combine training program, and is really designed to optimize operator knowledge and harvest efficiency. It's an in-person and hands-on experience, and you can expect to leave the Harvest Academy session with a better knowledge on harvest optimization when it comes to calibrations, setting changes in different crops and different conditions, just a more confident way of looking at the machine at harvest. We're sharing practical tips and explaining the theory in a way that's easy to understand. You may have seen the modules on our website: header, feeder house, threshing system, sieve area, the invisible grain loss, broken grain, and talking about the calibrations. In our modules, we're going through settings, things we've seen that worked well, and we're conveying those key messages, explaining how the dots are connected, and going from front to back through the entire combine. While you're doing this calibration, you manually bring in the concaves up. You turn the rotor until you hear it tick, until those rasp bars are actually ticking on it, okay? The value it brings to your dealership is that it elevates the customer experience when it comes to combine clinics. And it also helps your dealership to position yourself as a leader in harvest optimization. The value for your organization, whether it be agronomy or seed company, is that it elevates the customer experience with topics that are important to them on their farm. It's also for other ag professionals. We have spoken at ag colleges, universities, ag certifications. It's really around education, around harvest optimization, how to have a better agronomy around it. And it's a great addition for any agricultural courses, agriculture certifications, to round up the knowledge around harvest. The Harvest Academy is our educational department to deliver the expertise that our customers have asked for in the past. And we have a big passion for harvest optimization. So the better your combine runs on your farm, the more grain you'll save, the better quality of grain you have, and the better you will utilize that machine on your farm for a better ROI.